Hello, tech enthusiasts! In today's tutorial, we'll guide you through the step-by-step process of enabling and disabling maintenance mode on your Samsung Galaxy device. Maintenance mode is a feature that allows you to protect your personal data and information on your Samsung Galaxy phone or tablet when you need to send it for a repair service. It creates a separate user account that has no access to your data and only allows pre-installed apps to run. To enable or disable maintenance mode, follow these steps. Let's dive in. Firstly, unlock your Samsung device and head over to the settings. Scroll down until you find the Battery and Device Care option. Within Battery and Device Care, scroll further down to discover a maintenance mode under Additional Care options. Tap on it to proceed. Before making any system changes, it's always a good practice to back up your data. Ensure you've backed up your important information to avoid any potential loss. Now, let's activate maintenance mode by tapping the Turn On button. You'll have the option to create a system log, choose according to your preference. After that, restart your device. Once your device is in maintenance mode, disabling it is a breeze. Head back to the Settings app, find a maintenance mode, and tap on it. Finally, tap the Return Off button and confirm your choice. Congratulations! You've successfully enabled and disabled maintenance mode on your Samsung device. This added layer of protection ensures that your personal data remains safe when your device is away for repairs. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and share it with your fellow Samsung users. Until next time, stay secure and tech savvy.